Alright, I want to go over a different variable, and this one's going to be string. I wanted to save this one till the end, or actually later on, but it is a variable type. So notice this one is not a keyword because it's not highlighted in blue. This is a class string. We'll go over classes way later, but it does store a string. So the reason why I wanted to go over this one earlier, because it wasn't a primitive type, but this is a string. Okay, so it just stores a string of characters surrounded by double quotes. Let's go ahead and print this one out. Print line, and we can print out X. Let's go ahead and run this. And it says this is a string when we go ahead and run it. And we can combine more strings with it with the plus sign like we have in the previous tutorials. And put a space and another string. Alright, let's go ahead and run it. Yep, this is a string and another string. And this is what I wanted to cover in this video. But we will be combining strings together farther on, but you can store text inside the variable string. But there's quite a few videos that I'm going to be making over this variable, but not in this series. So just know that string is a string of characters and a combination of characters. And that's it for this video.